हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चॅनल. आज आपण 7th स्टँडर्डचा इंग्लिशचा जो 2.2 चॅप्टर आहे द 7 इयर त्याचे क्वेश्चन आन्सर्स जे आहेत ते आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण कवर करणार आहोत. त्याआधी तुम्हाला मी सांगू इच्छिते की learnwithyadnya.com ही जी आपली वेबसाईट आहे ती तयार झालेली आहे आणि या वेबसाईटवर जाऊन तुम्ही जे प्रश्न उत्तरे आहेत ते तिथे पाहू शकता. तुम्ही रीडेबल फॉर्ममध्ये जिथे तुम्हाला अवेलेबल आहेत तिथे जाऊन तुम्ही ते प्रश्न उत्तर जे आहेत ते पाहू शकता. चला तर मग स्टार्ट करूया. चॅप्टरचं नाव आहे 2.2 द 7 इयर आणि फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे से वेदर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स आर राईट और रॉंग. Sally was traveling in space for the first time, so it's wrong. Many changes had occurred on the earth in the 100 years before Sally's trip to the moon. It's correct. There were no old cities left on the earth. Correct. Sally's mother did not want her to go on the trip. Correct. There were no human settlements on the moon. Correct. Sally made a hasty purchase. Wrong. Sally did not understand the mistake she had made. Correct. Then next, imagine you are Sally. Write your diary for every day of your trip to the moon and for the day you gave the earring to your mother. Okay. So answer Monday 28th May 2018 11:30 p.m. Dear diary. After spending the day on walking the soil of the moon, it feels joyous and I am pleased to have such a trip. The weather there is cold, so every time I go there, I carry some warm clothes with me. Today I bought an earring for my mother. When I gave it to her, she was very happy and thrilled to see them. She even said, Sally, I'm proud of you. She said that it was the most beautiful gift she has ever got. The earning was also very beautiful. Well, was a peaceful day for me. It was a peaceful day. Good night. The next question, state whether the statement is true or false. So the 3 days of the trip were going to be part of the daytime on the moon. It's a false. The stars are seen rarely and very brightly on the earth. It's a false. Then choose the correct answer. In the moon sky, the earth looked times bigger than the moon in the earth sky. So 13. Okay. Then next, what did the beautiful enchanting views make Sally and her friends feel? So the beautiful enchanting view made Sally and her friends feel ecstatic. What was special about the sky watch on the moon? So the speciality about the sky watch was that the stars some dazzling bright against the dark background of the moon sky because there is no atmosphere on the moon. Then what does it tell you about the conditions on the earth at that time? So the conditions on the earth at that time was usually foggy and the stars were seen rarely and only very faintly. Okay. So हे होते तुमचे 2.2 चॅप्टरचे क्वेश्चन आन्सर्स. हा व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला कसा वाटला हे आम्हाला कमेंटमध्ये सांगा. चॅनलवर नवीन असाल तर चॅनलला नक्की सबस्क्राईब करा, बेल आयकॉनवर क्लिक करा आणि learnwithyadnya.com या वेबसाईटला नक्की विजिट करा. थँक्यू.